To add Cash App to Twitter, start by opening the Twitter app and navigating to your profile. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. Then select Settings and Support. From the Settings and Support menu, choose Settings and then tap on Monetization. If you do not see the monetization option, your account may not be eligible for monetization features. In the monetization menu, select Tips. Then tap on Cash App. You will be prompted to enter your Cash App username, also known as your $cashtag. Enter your $cashtag, which is the username you use for Cash App, and confirm that you want to link it to your Twitter account. Once you have linked your Cash App account to Twitter, your $cashtag will be displayed on your Twitter profile. To receive tips, make sure your Cash App account is set up to receive payments. You can do this by opening the Cash App, navigating to the Banking tab, and selecting Add Bank. Follow the prompts to link your bank account to Cash App. This will allow you to receive payments from Twitter. Best practices for using Cash App on Twitter include being clear about what tips are for, such as content creation or exclusive updates, and being respectful of your followers by not soliciting tips excessively. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully add Cash App to Twitter and start receiving tips from your followers. This feature allows creators to monetize their content and connect with their audience in a new way.